Hello everybody and welcome to a chat from the engineering desk. I hope you're all doing very well today and I thank you for being here. Good to have you here. What I have here is another low cost budget rechargeable LED lamp. So what it comes with is quite a generously sized enclosure like this. And I've already got it apart, as you can see. Now what I found when I took it apart is that this was taped to that like that, and this was stuck down there like that. And when I got this, the battery was completely discharged, and so I plugged it in and let it run. And what I found is that the battery absolutely steamed. This whole area of it, this whole base of the lamp, it got hot. Single strand wire, another awesome feature. So there is that, swamping out the camera. So there's your panel of LEDs, and a little board which has got a marked chip on it. So battery come unplugged now. Unmarked battery, that's good. Not this was this was 55 Rand, or what we would call about $3 or $4 US, something like that. Definitely not the most expensive lamp, and as we can see, not the most quality lamp either. So what I'm going to do is here's our inspection device, the microphone of the microscope of knowledge. Alright, so here we have the microscope. Let's see what we can find. "61 KLM2UR." That's a rectifier, the standard one. "61 KL9M2UR." So that's what they're using for the control chip. One moment please while I look to see what that is. So as expected, that returned no results. So that's a mystery device, but it's what's used on the cheap and cheerful stuff, as we say. Nice, battery's unplugged. Now This being such a nice big generous enclosure, what one could do is hack this. So one could take, for instance, one of these nicer lamps like this and fit its contents into it. The reason I say that is because this, while it's lit up, it's swamping out the camera a bit, it still produces a very nice, it diffuses more than the smaller ones. It's quite a pleasing sort of light that comes off it. So this enclosure is useful and one could hack it, or why not? That's why we're here, that's why we're looking at this sort of stuff. So there you go, there's a teardown of the really cheap lamp. You shouldn't buy them, it's not worth it. It's not gonna last, it could potentially catch fire. Just spend the $10 and buy something decent. Unless you're buying this for the enclosure and the LED panel, don't buy it with the intention of using it. It's like that. And for the rest, I thank you for being here. Have an awesome day further, and thanks very much. We will see you here for more. Take care, ladies and gentlemen. Goodbye.